How to find your Bank of America routing number. So to find your Bank of America routing number, all you have to do is just make sure you're logged into your account successfully. So if you're using application, you just will see the same interface. So just make sure to enter correct user ID as well as password and just click on continue. That is login button over here. And if you have set it a two-way factor authentication, you might also have to complete that process as well. And once you do all of that, you should just head over to your account and just tap on this my checking out account option over here by simply tapping on view. And finally, once you're inside here, simply scroll all the way down until you see the option that is account info. As you can see on the screen, that is account info, and right below that, right under account number, you should see all of your routing numbers. And you can also view your account number by simply tapping on view account number button over there. So that is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.